Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, Divi Supreme modules, one of my favourite plugins here, have just released another free download, and it's star rating modules. And they got some great demos here. Of course, you can save these and incorporate them into your own website and edit them. There's some nice cards there, and there's some nice commerce products there, and a sort of menu type effect here, and they've all got their star ratings included in them. Now to get these, you just need to go to their page, and I'll put this URL down below the video here today. Now bear in mind, you will need Divi Supreme Pro to be able to use these, so bear that in mind before you download. And if you just scroll down a little bit down the page, you'll find the download button. I'm using Google Chrome, so mine downloads it to my browser window here. If you're using a different browser, yours will download it to your default download location. Once downloaded, it downloads it as a zip file. And here it is right here. Just need to extract the zip file. There we go, and then you've got a JSON file, which is the one we need to upload, and there's a credit which just tells you where the images they've used came from. Now we've got our files that we need. How do we upload them? Well, if you go to your dashboard, and we'll go down to Divi and down to Divi Library, we can then import. You've got export and import. Obviously we want to import. I'm simply going to drag this JSON file here over to here and drop it in there. You can hit the choose for file button if you prefer and browse to it that way. Once up there, hit the import Divi builder layout. Great. And there it is, Divi Supreme Star Rating Module Demo. And how do you use it? Well, it's pretty simple. Let's create a new page. I'm just going to go at the top to new page right here. Or you can go to pages and add new if you prefer. Give our page a name. And use the Divi builder, obviously. And I'm going to choose a pre-made layout and hit Browse Layouts. Let's go over to your saved layouts. This will open your library, and as it's a page, it'll only show you your page layouts here. And there it is, Divi Supreme Star Rating Module, free layout. And there we are, we have it loaded into our page here, and of course you can go through and customize these exactly how you wish. Just simply click on the module, change the contents, save when you're happy, go in and put in the star rating that you want to put in. Let's give it a 3.5 rating on this one. As you can see, it's updated to 3.5. Save that when you're ready. And then go in, change the image. Now they're using rounded images here. The only thing with images, I haven't got one to put in here. Just remember, if you want them to be round like that using the style that they're using, you've got to start off with a square image. If you have a long image, it's going to end up as an oval. So if you use a square, it'll end up being round. When you're happy, just save your changes. And of course, last but not least, go down and change the name. Now of course, once this is all done, save the row simply by hovering over, going to the little icon just to the left of the trash can right there, and save it to your library. And once saved, you can add it to any page that you want to. Demo 2 is a nice little WooCommerce one. Again, you've got to just edit the image, the title, the content, and the star rating, and put in whatever button and button links you want there. Same deal. And here we have a nice little sort of menu layout, and it's exactly the same. You're going to have to go in, just edit the title and star rating, content, image, and price. When you're happy, save it, put it wherever you want. So that's another nice little free layout there from Divi Supreme Modules. Divi Supreme Modules really is a great enhancement to the Divi theme. So I hope you've enjoyed that today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.